Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In the last video, I've shown you how to use while loops in shell scripting. Now in this video, I want to continue using the while loop, and I'm going to show you some of the tricks which you can use with while loop. And the first trick is using sleep with the loops, right? So as you know, this code I have written in the last video, and this prints the value 1 to 10 on terminal, right? Now for some reason I want to give some delay while printing the value, and this I can do with sleep command. So I can just write sleep here, and then whatever number I will give here, for example 1, it's going to pause the execution of this loop for this much amount of seconds, and once again executing this loop normally, right? So the sleep command gives a pause of whatever seconds you want. You can write here. So if you want 2 seconds, you can write 2 seconds or whatever seconds, right? So let's run the script and let's see what happens now. So run the script, and you can see the numbers are printing after interval of 1 second, and once the condition is met, you can see it comes out of the loop and we can see our normal terminal, right? Now if I don't provide this increment, the value of n will always be 1. So for example, I remove this increment of n, the value of n will always remain 1, for example, and this loop will execute infinitely. So let's run the script and let's see what happens now. So you can see it's printing 1 1 1 1, and this condition is always true, so this script will run always until you stop executing it, right? And how to terminate this process which is running using this shell script? You can just press Ctrl C to come out of this script. So Ctrl C, and I'm out of this script. Okay, so if you want the continuous loop, you give a condition such that it's always true, right? But always remember that you know, whatever is the logic of your code, if you do not provide this sleep, this loop will work infinitely and it will run so fast that it may slow your computer even sometimes, right? So this is the first trick. Now the second trick I want to show here is how we can open some terminals. So for example, I want to open 3 terminals, so I will just write, instead of 10, 3 here, and I want to open a terminal using my bash script, right? So what I can do here is, depending upon the what kind of terminal available on your operating system, you can open those terminal. So on my Ubuntu operating system, I have Xterm, for example, and Genome terminal, which is this terminal. This is the Genome terminal, and Xterm is also available on my system. So let's use the Genome terminal command to open those terminal first. So I will just use genome minus terminal and just give this and symbol after this, right? And let me clear the terminal first of all, and let me run the script, and you will see 3 more terminals are open. So this is the first, I will close this, the second, once again close this, and the third, I will close this, right? So using this genome terminal command, you can open the normal terminal like this, and Xterm is available also on my Ubuntu operating system. So instead of genome, I can just write Xterm, and then once again I will run the script, and you can see these terminals are open, 3 terminals, right? So I can close them once again. So these are the 2 tricks I wanted to show you in this video, and in the next video we will see how we can read a file using while loop. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.